Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a look at my new purchase, which is a Ninja air fryer and grill. So to save on money and for healthier cooking, I think these are the way to go. So what you get is, you get your bottom tray, which stays in there all the time. You've got your barbecue tray, or barbecue grill, whatever you want to call it, and that gives you I've tried this out once with chicken, and it gives you a nice barbecue finish texture to the end. And you've also got the crisper basket. It does come with a cleaning brush for easier cleaning, which does work really well. But what I would suggest is get some of these liners for certain things if you're using the crisper basket. I think they're about £13 for 100 of them, and I've used them for cooking different flavoured chickens that I get out of Iceland. So if you want to see videos on exactly what I do and how I do it, subscribe to the channel. But today we're going to be doing Chinese pork. So I've got the pork belly slices, the Chinese 5 spices, so I'm going to slice the fat just so as the spices penetrate. Give that a generous dusting. Just make sure all the pork's nicely coated. It's probably better if you marinate this for a couple of hours. Then what you do, you turn it off. We select grill. We're going to have it on high for 15 minutes. We press the preheat. Then once it's preheat, it tells you to add food. So you get your pork belly slices, add them to your grill. There's a hole in the middle of the grill which drains all the fat away, and you simply put the lid down, and the 15 minutes or whatever you do preset starts. Then when the cooking time finishes, barbecue effect. Then you can have that with rice, salad, chips, whatever you want. So if you found that interesting and you want to see more, I'm not going to do an overall review on the grill at the minute because I've only used it a few times, so I want to get a proper review. But on the functions you've got grill, air fry, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. See you on the next one. Bye.